Upgrade your home office in 2 minutes. Must-have accessories. The ultimate guide, home office accessories for remote workers. Let's talk home office accessories and why they matter. A good setup isn't just aesthetic, it impacts focus, posture, energy. On-screen text, boost productivity. Section 1. Ergonomics. Start with the chair. Look for adjustable height, lumbar support, breathable material. Your back will thank you. Your desk should match your height. A sit-stand option keeps you moving. Switch to a vertical mouse to reduce wrist strain. On-screen text, reduce wrist pain. Add a monitor stand to get the top of your screen at eye level. No more hunching. If you're on a laptop, use a stand plus an external keyboard. Section 2. Productivity tools. Desk organizers keep essentials within reach and clutter off your mind. Use a simple planner or a digital task board to time block your day. Lighting matters. A dimmable desk lamp at 4000-5000K keeps colors true and eyes comfortable. Noise-canceling headphones cut distractions and create a focus mode. On-screen text, work comfortably from home. Section 3. Tech accessories. A 1080p webcam or a 4K webcam with good low-light performance. Pair it with a wired headset or a wireless headset that has a reliable mic. Clarity beats volume. A USB-C docking station connects devices with one cable. Monitor power, Ethernet storage. Section 4. Comfort and wellness. Footrest for posture, your knees at roughly 90 degrees. Standing mat for sit-stand desks to reduce fatigue. Plants add a bit of nature and can lift your mood. Low-maintenance options like snake plants are great. Take micro breaks. Sit 20, stand 8, move 2. Wrap up. Dial in ergonomics first. Layer productivity tools, then add tech and wellness. On-screen text. Boost productivity. Reduce wrist pain. Work comfortably from home. Want the full list with links and budgets? Check the description.